ProDentim 2025 Mega Guide, the probiotic, soft candy. For happier teeth, fewer dragons. Tooth fire. Let's be honest. Most of us want a brighter smile, fresher breath, and dental visits that don't sound like a hardware store. If you've seen ProDentim pop up in your feed, the doctor-endorsed, unique probiotic soft candy that claims to support a healthier mouth, you might wonder, can a chewable really help my teeth and gums and taste good while doing it? Buckle up. Here's a funny but factual deep dive into what ProDentim is, why the oral microbiome is suddenly a celebrity, what results you can realistically expect, who it's for and not for, and how to plug it into a no-drama routine that makes your dentist glow like a ring light. The elevator pitch, with better breath. 1. What? ProDentim is a probiotic soft chew, soft candy, designed for dental and gum support. Think good bacteria for your mouth, not your gut. 2. Why people care. The mouth has its own microbiome. 2. When good bacteria are outnumbered, you get plaque parties, funky breath, sensitive gums, and a dentist who sighs audibly. 3. What makes it different? 3. Instead of just killing everything, like some rinses do, ProDentim aims to add friendly strains that help restore balance. 4. Bonus. The newly refreshed version is making waves, translation, upgrades plus lots of buzz. 4. It's doctor-endorsed, and fun for marketers, CPA and direct tracking are available. 4. For normal humans, that just means it's popular enough that people promote it. Wait, probiotics for your mouth? Yup. We've known for years that gut probiotics can be helpful for digestion. But your mouth is prime real estate for microbes too. Roughly 700 species of bacteria can live in there, rent-free, and not all of them are villains. The right mix can 1. Help keep plaque in check. 2. Support gum health. 3. Keep pH more tooth-friendly. 4. And reduce dragon breath, technical term. Traditional oral care often acts like a flamethrower, nuking the neighborhood, good guys included. ProDentim's approach is more like adding friendly neighbors who plant roses, pay taxes, and glare at the party bacteria when they turn the music up after 10 p.m. What's inside? Ingredients, demystified, no hype, just why. Exact labels can vary over time, but oral-focused probiotics typically include lactobacillus and streptococcus species that have been studied for mouth-specific benefits. You'll often see strains like these in dental probiotic formulas. 1. Lactobacillus reuteri, frequently researched for gum support and breath freshness. 2. Lactobacillus paracasei, rhamnosus, plantarum, usual suspects for crowding out troublemakers and promoting a healthier biofilm. 3. Streptococcus salivarius, e.g., K12 and M18, famous in the oral probiotic world for targeting breath and plaque balance. ProDentim's soft candy format serves two big purposes. 1. Contact time. 1. Chewing slowly keeps the friendly microbes in your mouth long enough to actually set up shop. 2. Compliance. 2. If it tastes good, you're more likely to use it, and consistency is the secret sauce. What ProDentim can, and can't, do can reasonably help with. 1. Breath support. 1. If your floss smells like it moonlights as a dragon, better bacterial balance can help. 2. Plaque management. 2. You still need to brush and floss, sorry, but a friendlier biofilm is easier to live with. 3. Gum comfort. 3. Some people notice less tenderness along the gum line when they improve their oral microbiome routine. 4. Post-cleaning maintenance. 4. Great for keeping that fresh from the hygienist feeling around longer. Can't, please don't be mad. 1. Replace your toothbrush or floss. 1. I know flossing is the leg day of dentistry, but you still have to do it. 2. Cure disease. 2. Gum disease and cavities need professional care. 3. Overpower a soda habit. 3. If your favorite beverage doubles as liquid candy, start there, hero. Think of ProDentim as a bouncer for your mouth's club. It doesn't rebuild the club or replace the band, but it keeps the troublemakers out so the place vibes better. The ProDentim routine. So simple your future self will high-five you. When to take it. 1. Aim for once daily, ideally after brushing, flossing at night, or as the label directs. 2. Chew slowly. Let it mingle with your saliva. 2. The goal is contact time on teeth, tongue, and gums. What to avoid right after. 1. No chugging water for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. 1. You want those strains to settle in, not surf away. 2. Skip harsh antibacterial rinses right before, after, they can nuke your new friends. How long until you notice something? 1. Breath. Often a few days. 2. Plaque, gum feel. 2 to 4 weeks of consistency. 3. Dental checkups. Changes show up as fewer tisk-tisk sounds from your hygienist over months and lower lecture volume. The 7-Day Mouth Reset with ProDentim guest starring Day 1 Audit. 1. Snap pics of your tongue, teeth, close-ups, so you can compare in 2 to 4 weeks. 2. Make a list. Coffee, tea frequency, soda, smoking, vaping, late night snacking, mouth breathing at night. Day 2 to 3. Basics dial in. 1. Brush 2 times per day for 2 minutes. Set a timer. Your internal clock is a liar. 2. Floss nightly. Water flosser okay, plus tongue scraper a few gentle strokes. 3. Start ProDentim. 1 chew, slow. Day 4 to 5. pH love. 1. Reduce all-day sipping of acidic, sugary drinks. 1. If you must, drink with food, then rinse with water. 2. Chew xylitol gum after meals if you can't brush. Day 6. Night breathing. 1. If you wake with a dry mouth, address nasal breathing, saline rinse, humidifier. 1. Dry mouth equals bad news for enamel and gums. Day 7. Celebrate. 1. Reward yourself with a new toothbrush head or silk floss you actually like. 1. Habit design greater than motivation. Rinse, not literally, repeat, and keep ProDentim in the mix. Taste and texture. Because you're not chewing a doorknob, the soft candy format is the opposite of chalky tablets. Most people report 1. Soft chew that dissolves in a minute or 2 if you go slow. 2. Pleasant, mild sweetness, often xylitol, erythritol, stevia blends, depending on batch. 3. No weird aftertaste, unless you brush with barbecue sauce, in which case we need another article. Pro tip. Don't rush it. Treat it like a tiny dessert your dentist would actually approve. Who benefits most? 1. Coffee and tea devotees. 1. Staining plus acidity plus dry mouth equals triple whammy. 1. Probiotics help balance the neighborhood. 2. Frequent snackers. 2. Every snack is a pH roller coaster. 2. Friendly bacteria are like seat belts. 3. Mouth breathers, dry mouth folks. 3. Saliva protects enamel. Probiotics can't replace saliva, but they help keep the peace. 4. Retainer, aligner wearers. 4. Appliances trap food particles. 4. A better biofilm equals less funk under the plastic. 5. Social breath worriers. 5. If you carry mints like a security blanket, upgrading the source beats masking the symptom. Who should pause or check with a pro first? 1. Active oral infections, significant gum disease, or tooth pain. 1. You need a dentist's eyes and hands on that, ASAP. 2. Immunocompromised individuals. 2. Any probiotic, even oral, should be discussed with your clinician. 3. Major allergies. 3. Double check the label for dairy, soy traces used in probiotic production. 4. Kids and pregnancy. 4. Usually fine with dentist approval, but always ask. ProDentim versus classic mouthwash, a friendly cage match.